Look at it.
There's always an adult near when there's little ones in the water.
They're like people.
He's breathing.
I was gonna say, as you see that little trunk come up.
Flamingo.
Social. That's a lot of rhinos. Great effort has gone into conservation. They're very brave though. Look at up on the hill. Those are cheetahs.
Where?
They're facing away from us, but
Where? Left or right?
yeah, right at the top of the hill.
Oh, I see them. They're laying
Cheetahs
down.
are the fastest land. Dogs are the largest burrowing mammal.
Look at that.
They'll even use burrows created by other animals.
That's an ugly logo.
Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, there's some eggs here by the road too. Those are ostrich eggs.
Where?
They're the biggest bird egg. They weigh about 3. Look close at these zebras. Aren't they pretty? There's another ostrich there too.
Come over. Oh, I got a nice picture.
About 300 left in Africa.
Wow.
Oh, I see some. Look at the birds by the water. Those are yellow-billed stork. Looks like they're